Introducing the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. This cutting-edge solution ensures the accuracy and reliability of your torque wrenches. Engineered by Tohnichi, it combines precision craftsmanship with user-friendly features to elevate your quality control processes. Covering a torque range from 5 to 50 Nm, this versatile tester is ideal for various applications in industries like automotive, aerospace, and manufacturing. The manual loader enables effortless and precise adjustment of the desired torque value, providing full control during testing. With an impressive accuracy of 1%, it guarantees reliable and repeatable measurements, instilling confidence in your quality control procedures. Built to withstand rigorous use, the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester is crafted from robust materials, ensuring longevity and peace of mind. Its clear and intuitive display allows for quick and accurate reading of measured torque values, minimizing errors and enhancing efficiency. Elevate your torque wrench maintenance and calibration processes with the Tohnichi 550 Nm torque wrench tester manual loader. Its versatility, accuracy, and durability make it an essential tool for professionals seeking precise and reliable measurements. Invest in this advanced tester and experience peace of mind, knowing that your torque wrenches are performing at their best.